We've learned, for those of you who harvest and store your clean cocoons in a refrigerator over the winter, there's still on the outside of those clean looking shells, there's viruses and pests and there's spores that will impact your bees the following year. Well, now we've got an effective product called HumidiBee, HOCl. It's safe for you and I and our pets. It kills these spores and diseases and pests on contact. Let me show you how to use it. We've just finished harvesting our cocoons. They're all clean. Before I put them away, I'm just spritzing 4 or 5 mists of HumidiBee across them. Move the cocoons around, get the other sides open, and again, I'm just spritzing again. Now, once I've got these cocoons sanitized, I'm putting them into my HumidiBee, storing these things for the winter. But we've also learned that there are spores, mold, that comes from nearby cheese or other things in your refrigerator that will come into the HumidiBee and get moldy cocoons. It's super easy to handle. All we're doing is taking those moldy cocoons out, clean them in cold water, again working with the HumidiBee on those, and then the pads, just wash these in a soapy solution. When they're done, just a couple little mists of HumidiBee and you've got everything killed on contact. Now, if you do find in your wood trays, this is called chalkbrood. This is a nasty little spore that impacted this one larva. It consumed just a couple little grains of the spore, changed it into this little shape. Mason bees next spring are going to be coming through here. They're going to chew past this and carry this spore up and down the holes, on the face, and out to the yard. This is a spore that will spread everywhere, and you need to get rid of that. All we're doing is taking that spore out, spraying HumidiBee in that one little cell, nice and liquidy, getting it back and forth, making sure it's in there. You've now killed all the chalkbrood. It's that simple. HumidiBee. This is what Crown Bees uses. It's now available for you as well.